welcome back. Happy 4th. It's America's 250th birthday. I shouldn't be cooking today because it's currently 94 degrees outside. But it's America's birthday, so we just gotta make some burgers. Today I'm gonna be making burgers. I'm using everything bagel seasoning, so I'm calling them everything burgers. I'm gonna be making some pickled veggies, corn on the cob, and watermelon strawberry lemonade. So it is so hot, so you will only be getting the summary of all this cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna do right now is to season up this beef. So I'm using some salt, pepper, the smashed burger seasoning, steak rub, some garlic powder, red pepper flakes, a pinch of Italian seasoning. I have to be using the fan because it's so hot. It's blowing my seasoning away. Look at that. And last but not least, everything bagel seasoning. Oh, sorry. I have some Italian style breadcrumbs too. And rub this in, get everything nicely mixed up. If it wasn't America's 250th, I wouldn't be cooking a thing. Because it's brutal. Yesterday was even worse. I saw on the news so many people went to the hospital. It's awful. I'm gonna set this aside while I work on my veggies and my corn. Well, there can be no 4th without the hot dogs. I forgot those, but here they are. We currently live in an apartment and we're not allowed to use a grill, so we have to cook however we can. So here's our corn. Let me get these corn boiling. My cast iron is steaming up for the burgers. You don't need to have a grill to make burgers. You just have to improvise. These are going to be just as good as if you make them on the grill. Let's give these a flip. See, no grill, no worries. Just gotta improvise. So I finally bought this gadget to help me to cut my veggies. So let's see if it works. These are my veggies. I have bell peppers, cucumbers, onion and tomatoes. And some pickles. I'm making my pickled picante for my hot dog. So now let's see if it works. Sure did. Wow. This is gonna really help me. Let's see. Wow. That is so beautiful and easy. Man, this is gonna save me a lot of time. Now we have pickles. Gone. Whoa. There you go. Now we have tomatoes. I'm going to remove the seeds to get rid of the juices. See all that juiciness? You won't need it. I'm not sure if it's going to work. If it doesn't, you just have to cut manually. Here goes tomato. It kind of worked. It wasn't great. You just have to put a lot more pressure for the tomatoes. Okay, to finish off, I'm adding a little salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a generous amount of sweet relish. I'm using about half a bottle here. Make sure you get the juices. You combine this, call it whatever name you want to call it. I'm naming mine pickled picante. You can put this on top of your burger, your hot dog. You can dip your chip. This is such a good salad for a hot day. Fresh, bold, zesty, yummy, scrumptious. I can't even find the words. The burgers are done. I'm just gonna put them in the toaster oven to stay warm. So I'm gonna transfer my hot dogs to my burger pan. I'm telling you, you have to improvise. If you don't have a grill or you're not allowed to use a grill, improvise, guys. Buy this pot. Use it for your burgers and your hot dogs. Works great. Look at that. You don't need a grill. Hot dog's looking beautiful. You're looking so beautiful. Now it's time to make the watermelon strawberry lemonade, the most refreshing drink you will ever have this summer. And if you've never learned how to cut a watermelon properly, you are going to learn right now. So let's set that piece aside, and this half we're gonna cut into popsicles. We're adding 2 lemons. The lemon run into 2 lemons, and strawberries. It is so hot and I'm so exhausted. I have to sit under the fan doing this. So now we've added strawberries and lemon. I'm using 1 cup of sugar to sweeten. You can use any sweetener you like. I'm finally done with the dinner. Let me enjoy. Wow, refreshing. This is so refreshing. You have to make this. And you know what? I did not have any mint, but if you have mint, just add it to it. That is gonna give it just a burst of flavor. Yeah, I usually make it with mint, but I forget to pick it up yesterday. I had some dried ones. I could have made a simple syrup with it, but you know, it is what it is. Well done. Happy 4th. Now I'm making an all-purpose dip. You can use it for anything. I'm gonna slather up my corn with it. You can use it for your chips, for your burger. I'm just using melted butter, mayonnaise, sour cream, a little ranch dressing, salt, pepper, and Cajun spice. I love that Cajun spice. Bit of sassy. Yeah, and as always, my parsley. You're gonna mix that up, and you can use it for anything on the table. And give it a good mix, get it all combined. It's zesty and it's yummy. So here's everything that we made. Yeah, good food, enjoyed with family. It's all that we need. Trust me. Most of the times we're busy running around, everyone is on a different schedule, so we can't even sit down to eat together every day. So, you know, when you get a chance to do it, just do it with your family. Sit and have a meal and talk about the good and the bad and just have fun together. Now, this is my plate. This is a plate. I work hard for it. I'm going to enjoy myself. I will go on a diet for the rest of the week. And wherever you are in the USA, I hope you're enjoying the holidays. Hope you're having some good food and some fun time with your family. If you like what I made for the 4th, go ahead and subscribe and always leave a comment. I like to hear what you have to say. And remember to watch my playlist at the end of this video. Give me some love. Happy holidays. Happy 4th.